Welcome to the CAM workspace of Fusion 360. So here, this is the workpiece. So here you can see this is my workspace, manufacturing workspace. Okay. So here under the setup option, you can see these are the different strategies. Okay. So the first one is the facing strategy. Okay. I will right click this. When I will right click this, you can see I will edit this. Yeah, here you can see the facing strategy. How to select this facing strategy? So here you can see the different options: milling, turning, additive, inspection, etc. So here this is turning. So you can click this turning, and here you can see turning face. When you click this turning face, you can see this is the turning facing strategy. So here you can see T1. T1 represents tool number 1. So when you click this, here you can see phase 2. Okay, I will cancel this. Okay, so when I will click this turning phase here, so here you can see phase 3. Okay, in this way you can select the different strategies. So here you can see the turning profile roughing. Okay, so when you click this, here you can see profile roughing option. Okay, when if you want to see the profile finishing, you can see the profile finishing option. Then turning groove option. Okay, here you can see groove option. Okay, like this, turning thread, chamfer, part, etc. So this is the first strategy, facing strategy. So I will right click this. I will right click this and edit this. So here you can see this is the facing strategy, and here you can see the tool. When you click this, you can see the tool, CNMT. So everything, the feed and speed, you can change the feed and speed here. Okay, the geometry. So here, this is the geometry, that is the model front. Okay, that is the geometry, and here the offset distance is 0 mm, and the radius, the clearance, retract, outer radius, inner radius, then the number of passes. Okay, step over and linking. Okay, I will click OK. Then go to actions and simulate. Here you can see the phasing. So this is the phasing operation. Phasing means you have to remove the material. You have to remove the material from this surface. That is called the phasing. And the second one, that is the profile. So here you have to cut the material from this area. Okay, that is the profile option. So I will right click this and I will edit this. So here you can see you can select the tool, you can select the mode and direction, you can select the feed and speed, you can select the geometry, the front and back. Okay, so the front will be here and the back will be the model back, and here you can see the offset distance is -5 mm, and in the front here this is, and the clearance, retract, outer and inner, and the passes, and finally the linking option. I will click OK. Then go to actions and simulate. So here, yeah, you can see the removal of the material from this. Okay. Then the next is, that is the grooving option. So I will right click this and edit groove. Okay, so here you can select the grooving tool, then mode and direction, you can select the feed and speed, geometry, the radii, the passes and the linking, and then go to actions and simulate. You can see the grooving. And then next is the threading option. Okay, I will right click this and edit. So turning threading 60 degree. So you can change the mode and direction, the feed and speed, select the geometry. So here I want to create the thread. So this is my thread face and the radii, the number of passes and the linking. And then I will go to actions and simulate. So here you can see. Then the last one, that is the parting operation. So I will right click this and edit this tool. So select the tool, the geometry, then the radii, the passes and the linking. Then I will click OK. Then I will go to actions, simulate. Here you can see the parting operation is complete. So here you can see the parting operation is complete. So in this way, we can apply different strategies: phasing strategy, profile strategy. So this is for removing the material from this. Profile strategy is to remove the material from here. Then grooving, you want to cut the groove. Then threading for create the thread, and parting is for the removal of the material, cutting operations of here. Okay, so that is parting. So once all the strategies are completed, then go to actions and generate. So such that you have to generate all the toolpaths. So here profile 95, here you can see thread pending, part pending. Okay, 61.8 percentage, 0.0 percentage, 89, etc. like that. Then go to actions, simulate. Okay, so here you can see the first one, that is the phasing operation, then the profile cutting. So this is the profile cutting. Then the grooving, option, then the threading option, and then the parting operation. Okay, so I will close this, then go to actions, then post processing. Here I will select this FANUC controller. So which type of controller you are using, you can use. Here I am selecting this FANUC controller. So I will select this FANUC turning. Then I will click the post button. Then I will save. So here you can see you will get the code. So here you can see this is the code, G code and M code. So this is for the phasing operation. Then after that, profile operation, code of the profile operation, then grooving operation, then threading operation, and finally parting operation, and finally end of the program. So we can copy this code and we can paste this into your machine, and you can directly cut this in your FANUC controller CNC machine. So again, and finally, I will go to the actions tab and setup sheet. I will create the setup sheet. So this is the setup sheet. Okay, so this is the setup sheet about the number of operations, number of tools, total tools, okay, maximum spindle speed, cutting distance, etc. So about the tool, okay, number of tools, T1, T2 and T3, three tools, then various operations, the phasing strategy, the profile strategy, the grooving strategy, the threading strategy, and the parting strategy. So that's all about the the CNC code generation using the Autodesk Fusion 360. Thank you.